Gleyber Torres is a Venezuelan professional baseball second baseman for the New York Yankees of Major League Baseball. He made his MLB debut on April 22, 2018. Torres was an All-Star in 2018 and 2019. Torres met his longtime girlfriend Elizabeth in his hometown of Caracas in 2014. They were married in April 2017 and had their first child, a son, on March 20, 2022. Torres was born and raised in Caracas by his parents, Eusebio Torres and Ibelise Castro. Intrigued by the name Qleyber, his father decided to name Torres after it because of its uniqueness. Torres grew up in a middle-class household. However, life at home devolved into unrest, with many citizens rebelling against the government in the wake of constant food shortages, rampant crime, and widespread violence. Academies began to take notice of Torres' talent and wanted to help him become a professional. At 14, Torres moved to Maracay to enroll in an academy that had contacts with MLB scouts. He was sought out by the Chicago Cubs and signed a contract with the team. The year began and rumors about the Yankees trying to trade Torres. The Yankees failed to sign Torres before the arbitration deadline. Torres reportedly sought 10.2 million while the team offered him 9.7 million. However, both agreed to a one-year contract amounting 9.95 million on January 29. On April 3, during a game against the Philadelphia Phillies, Torres hit his 100th career home run, a solo shot to right or center field. He became the 7th youngest Yankee of all time to do so. For the 2023 season, Torres had a .273 batting average, 25 home runs, 68 RBIs, and 13 stolen bases. He was named a finalist for the Silver Slugger Award. On October 13, 2019, Torres became the youngest second baseman in MLB history and the third youngest overall to record at least 4 RBIs in a game and youngest ever for at least 5 RBIs. Following the 2018 season, Gleyber signed a one-year contract with the Yankees. For his sophomore season on April 4, 2019, Torres became the fourth youngest Yankee with 4 hits and 3 extra base hits in a game since Rui DiMaggio did it in 1936. Torres went 4 for 4 with a double, 2 home runs and 4 RBI against the Baltimore Orioles. Torres made his MLB debut on April 22, 2018 as a second baseman against the Toronto Blue Jays, going 0 for 4. The next day against the Minnesota Twins, Torres recorded his first MLB hit. In 2015, Torres began the season with the South Bend Cubs of the Class A Midwest League and was promoted to the Myrtle Beach Pelicans of the Class A Advanced Carolina League in September.